Grocery, vegetable, sweet shop, restaurant, electronic store, whatever your business, the game is changing. Big e-commerce is here, trying to take your customers online. It's a real threat. But you were here first. You know them by name. You understand their needs. Now, fight back with Stoking Retail OS. Transform into a powerful, bright store in 5 minutes. Get your professional website, get direct brand supply, and manage inventory with one click. Share your link on WhatsApp. Deliver fresh essentials in 60 minutes. Customers earn King Coins. They redeem coins for electronics and can request items you don't stock yet. Distributors supply other local retailers. See live demand and supply at a single glance. Get pay later, business insights, and digital identity. You are the biggest player in town. Become a bright store today. Register at stoking.in or missed call 808 88 90 63.